seen and seen our sons. Our big hotel on a hilltop heights. But since I was a boy, I've been dreaming of nights in New York, and the New York nights. New York is always my dream, a shining